Hello, welcome to Stampin' by Hannah. Thank you for joining me today. I don't normally post a video on a Saturday, and I've got a super special reason for doing so today. I am taking part in the Pootlers Team Video Hop. This is the second one of these we've ever done. Absolutely love it, and the reason we've got one today is because we are celebrating the launch of the Stampin' Up buy 3 get 1 free designer series paper offer. Now I know that my lovely team leader Sam is going to make a fabulous video showing all the fabulous designer series paper that you can get in the sale, so the link will be in the down bar below. Once you've watched my video, do check that link, the list of links out down there, and you will see heaps and heaps of inspiration. Do stop, subscribe, like and comment on everybody's videos, at least mine, while you're here, and I hope that you enjoy. So this is my card for today. This uses the Petal Promenade designer series paper that is absolutely beautiful, really gorgeous. I will show you the piece I've got. This, look at it. You've got beautiful, really photoreal flowers, and then the other side, so you've got florals on one side, on the other it's all kind of marbles, and I think there's a bit of wood print, and it's just stunning. I got this out of the pack on Tuesday night. I got back from holiday on Tuesday, spread the pack of designer series paper out and just stood there completely agorp at the fact that how beautiful it was. It is lovely. So it coordinates with the beautiful Promenade stamp set and the beautiful layers thinlet dies, and this is a bundle, so you can buy these two together, save 10%. Always a bargain. And we're going to make this card. So, really quick, quite simple, little bit of work involved, but we'll get there. It'll be fine. So I've got a card base of fresh fig, and I cut all my cards exactly the same way. So it's a piece of A4, cut in half, scored in the middle. Actually, I score in the middle first, and then I cut, because that way I get 2 card bases out of two passes of my trimmer, and it means I've always got another card base on hand. So my designer series paper is cut 0.5 centimetre shorter and narrower than my card base. I have then got a piece of vellum, and then I have already gone ahead, because this took a little bit of time, and I have die cut this piece. Look at that, it is stunning. This is the doily die from that beautiful layers thinlets pack, cut out of a piece of Mossy Meadow, and it is just beautiful. I would suggest that when you are die cutting this, so let me get the die out to show you. The dies in this pack are beautiful, really, really are. If when you run it through your Big Shot, run it through, run it back, possibly run it through again, then take it out, turn it around and run it back through again. I found that I had a couple of pieces, you can see, where I've got a couple of like stringy pieces, and that's because I took the die out and then had to put the die back in. I had to take the die, I'd taken the die cut out and then went, oh, it's not quite cut, and had to put it back. Next time I will turn it before I take that piece out, and it will work beautifully. So I have already also gone ahead and die cut one of the Stitched Shapes Framelets circles dies. I can never get the name of that die pack right. Just because I use these dies on everything. This is one of my crafty essentials. I will write a crafty essentials list one day, and this will be it, because they are. I use them on everything. So we've got that. I have got 3 ink pads. I've got Fresh Fig, Mossy Meadow and Crumb Cake, and as you can see I'm currently using a mixture of old and new, because there's too many crafty goodies in the catalogue for me to suddenly start buying brand new ink pads as well as all the beautiful stamps. So let's stamp a couple of bits first. So I have got the leaves, and I'm going to stamp these in Mossy Meadow. So I'm going to just open this ink pad, probably get ink everywhere because that's just how I roll. I'm going to ink up this leaf stamp. I'm going to stamp it off once and then stamp it onto my Whisper White cardstock. I'm going to do that 3 times, like that, and then close that before I put my elbow in it, because I will. And then I have got the sentiment that says, "You're my everything," because I thought that was really cute. And I'm going to stamp this onto that stitched circle, which you could, you know, you could stamp and then die cut. Probably better off to stamp and then die cut, but hey. Never want to make anything simple for myself. Right, now then, these leaves have got a coordinating die. There is also this pretty die. Look at that, it's gorgeous. And I'm going to cut that from some Blushing Bride cardstock. So I'm going to go away, do that little bit of die cutting, and I'll be back with you in a second. Okay, so I've die cut those 3 stamped leaves in Mossy Meadow, and I've die cut 2 of the ornate ones out of Blushing Bride. And then all we need to do is we're going to add a little bit of shabby chicness. That's not really a word, is it? And we've got the queen of shabby chic probably taking part in our video hop today, the lovely Amanda Charlesworth, who does this better than anybody, and I am just a mere yeah, just never mind. So I've got some crumb cake ink and a stamping sponge, and I'm going to just grunge it up a little bit. So I'm going to add, oh, right, that's embarrassing because that's the postman. Oh yeah, you get real life when you come and join me here at Stampin' by Hannah. I do hope that while you're here you do subscribe. You are always welcome. Right, so I'm just going to ink up the... can you tell I've ran down 2 flights of stairs as well? So, yeah, this is just my life. I don't do editing either. I could have restarted the video and everything, but you know what? No, I'm not going to. Just going to carry on. So, inking the edges of that vellum as well. Only needs to be a little bit. We're just a hint of crumb cake. I'm going to add some to that circle as well. And each one of the leaves. So we've got crumb cake going on all over. I just think this paper though really lends itself to that kind of grungy, vintagey shabbiness that's just really, really pretty. And I'm going to add a little hint to the doily as well. Now you're not going to see much of it, and you're going to have to look quite closely, but I do think it adds just a something. So let's get this card assembled and let's get you on with the rest of the video hop. So I'm going to take some snail and snail on the back of that piece of designer series paper onto our card base. Now the vellum piece is cut quite a bit smaller. It's 2 centimetres smaller and narrower than that piece of designer series paper. There, like that. Then I'm going to pop some snail on the back of that doily just in the middle, and I'm going to just off centre that a little bit. Then I'm going to move that off to one side a second. I'm going to just adhere these pieces to the circle. So take note of exactly which way your circle is orientated, and I want some flowers coming off of here. So I'm going to turn my piece around, pop some snail on the back, and then I'm going to just arrange 2 of those leaves exactly where I want them. And they're going to hold into that snail. I'll do exactly the same, then diagonally opposite. And that way I can see exactly where those leaves are going, and I can see exactly where I want them. So there, and that snail will hold them in, and that'll be absolutely fine. I am then going to add 3 dimensionals to the back. I'm going to catch each one of those pieces and then a third one, just like so. There are 10 different packs of designer series paper available in the buy of 3 get 1 free offer. You don't need to buy 4 of the same pack. You can buy 4 completely different packs. And like I said, I know that the lovely Sam will have explained all of that to you right at the beginning. To finish this card off, I'm going to take one of the Petal Pink Rhinestone Gems and just pop that onto the circle, and that is my card finished. Thank you so much for joining me today. Do like, comment and subscribe while you're here. Click down into the description bar below and see everybody else's wonderful creations, and I will see you again hopefully soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.